Welcome to the crypto circus. What even is this stuff? Cryptocurrency is like regular money but digital, volatile, and with a lot more jargon. You've probably heard of Bitcoin, the granddaddy of all cryptocurrencies, created by the mysterious Satoshi Nakamoto in 2009. Bitcoin was the first but not the last. Enter Ethereum, created by Vitalik Buterin, bringing smart contracts to the table. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies out there, but today we'll focus on the big two, Bitcoin and Ethereum. They're like the Coke and Pepsi of the crypto world, sometimes worth a fortune, other times not so much. Let's dive into the fascinating technology behind cryptocurrencies, blockchain. It's essentially a digital ledger that's distributed across thousands of computers worldwide, ensuring no single point of failure. Blockchain is both transparent and secure. Every transaction is meticulously recorded and visible to everyone, but the identities behind these transactions are hidden behind complex cryptographic codes. This level of transparency makes it nearly impossible to cheat or manipulate the system. Imagine a network of computers playing an insanely complicated game of Sudoku, where each puzzle solved adds a new block to the chain. The first computer to solve the puzzle gets the honor of adding the new block to the chain and is rewarded with cryptocurrency. This process, known as mining, involves a lot more electricity and computational power than traditional mining with pickaxes. The value of these digital tokens is maintained as long as people believe in their worth and continue to trade them. It's similar to paper money, but instead of being backed by physical assets, it's backed by complex mathematics and the collective hope of its users. So, you've decided to take the plunge into the crypto world. Congratulations! It's an exciting journey filled with opportunities and challenges. First, you need a wallet, a digital tool to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies. Think of it as your personal bank account for digital assets. There are hot wallets, connected to the internet, which are convenient for frequent transactions, and cold wallets, offline storage, which are more secure for long-term holdings. Once you've got your wallet, it's time to buy some crypto through exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. These platforms act as marketplaces for buying and selling digital currencies. To buy crypto, you'll need to verify your identity through a process called KYC, Know Your Customer. This step ensures the security and legality of your transactions. Once verified, you can deposit money into your exchange account and start buying crypto. It's as simple as transferring funds from your bank. You don't have to buy a whole Bitcoin, you can buy fractions. This makes it accessible to everyone, regardless of budget. Even if you can't afford a whole Bitcoin, you can still own a slice of the crypto pie. Welcome to the world of digital currency. Now that you've got some crypto, what do you do with it? You've got options. The simplest strategy is HODLing. Hold on for dear life. Buy crypto and hold on to it, hoping its value will go up over time. On the other end of the spectrum, there's day trading. Buying and selling crypto multiple times a day to profit from small price movements. This approach can be exhilarating, but also risky. Day trading requires a deep understanding of market trends and technical analysis. You need to be constantly on your toes. Somewhere in the middle is swing trading, holding on to crypto for days or weeks to catch market swings. This strategy balances risk and reward. No matter the strategy, you're trying to predict the future, and the crypto market is notoriously volatile. Prices can skyrocket or plummet within minutes. Only invest what you can afford to lose, as the market can be unpredictable. Remember, today's fortune could be tomorrow's cautionary tale. Always stay informed and tread carefully. Investing in cryptocurrencies is like a roller coaster with potential highs and gut-wrenching lows. The potential upside can be astronomical, with early Bitcoin investors seeing returns that make winning the lottery look small. But for every crypto millionaire, there are thousands who've lost their shirts. The volatility in the crypto market is no joke. Prices can plummet quickly. The crypto world is also full of scams, from fake ICOs to elaborate Ponzi schemes. Always do your research, stay informed, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. The potential rewards are real, but so are the risks. Securing your cryptocurrency is crucial in this cyber frontier. Private keys are like secret passwords to your crypto kingdom. Lose them, and your money is gone. Keep your keys safe by writing them down, using a hardware wallet, or memorizing them. Protect yourself from scams and hacks. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Stay vigilant, do your research, and never share your private keys with anyone. In the world of crypto security, paranoia is essential. Your private keys are your responsibility, and losing them means losing your crypto. We've reached the end of our whirlwind tour through the world of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are digital assets built on blockchain technology. They're decentralized, meaning no single entity controls them. You can invest in crypto through exchanges, but remember to keep your assets secure in a wallet. Cryptocurrency is still a young and evolving technology with enormous potential and risks. Always invest responsibly, do your own research, and never risk more than you can afford to lose. The world of cryptocurrency is here to stay, reshaping our understanding of money and creating new opportunities and risks.